We're going to use our knowledge and understanding of balances to determine the value of an unknown object. In this problem, our unknown object is a triangle, and as you can see, we have triangles on both sides of our balance. So today what we're going to see is that when I remove one triangle from the left side, I have to remove one triangle from the right side in order for it to remain balanced. If I remove two triangles from the left side, I have to remove two triangles from the right side. If I draw my balance again, I end up with a balance that looks like this. I have a mass of 9 on my left side, and I have one triangle left. On my right side, I have a mass of 22. If I want to find out what one triangle is equal to, I have to remove my 9 from my left side, which means I have to remove my 9 from my right side. So that means I'm subtracting 9 from both sides. 22 subtract 9 equals 13. If I draw my balance again, it means I now have a triangle on my left side and I have a mass of 13 on my right side. That means that one triangle is equal to a mass of 13. If I want to check and make sure that the answer I found is correct, I can go up to my balance and I can substitute in the value of 13 into each of my triangles. That tells me that I now have a total of 9 plus 39 on my left side, which gives me a total of 48. And on my right side, I have a total of 22 plus 26, which gives me a total of 48. Since both of my left and right sides has a value of 48, I know that my value of the yellow triangle is correct.